Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be playing a game in Roblox called Skyblock. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so here we are in the game. So what do I do here? Oh, I have an axe. Do I chop down the tree? Probably. One sapling, backpack, 3 wood. Okay, here's my 3 wood. Open basic workbench. What can I get? Let's just plant back the sapling first of all. Was it this? I'm sure it was. Okay, what do we do now? Let's see. Are these crops? Plow. Here it is. Harvest. All this wheat. I guess I'm grabbing wheat. Is this the wheat? I think it is. Okay, what do you do with this wheat? Do you go into the working bench? Ooh, a wooden sword. How do I make this grow faster? How do I make this work faster? Can I go to that? I want to go to this different island right there. I think I might build a base, you know. Oh, there's another tree. I didn't even see this. 1 hit, 2 hits. Alright. There. Now we have 6 wood. Let's plant back down the sapling. Did I plant it? I'm sure I did. Harvest. Oh, now I have berries. Do you eat these? I'm sure you eat berries. Well, this is my coins. These are my island access. Visit island. And that's the sound. And that's the skyblock store. Okay. I think I'm gonna farm a ton of wheat right now. So I get as much food. So how do I plant it down with this? Yeah, I'm sure you do. There. And that, we run out of paper. Okay, so can I harvest this? Or is that my sapling? Oh, my tree grown. Let's chop it down, I guess. Three wood, and we got 1 sapling. Nice. Let's place back down that sapling. And I'm wondering if we can, like, you know, bridge or something across. Use a bridge. Oh, I need 10 pieces of wood. Oh, that's just a rip-off. Only have oh, there, my tree grown. Wait, did I even plant this tree? I'm sure I didn't. Am I chopping down the tree? Guys, can I chop down the tree? I need to chop down a tree. I just want to chop down a tree. There. Now I have 12 wood, and I can plant back down this sapling. Now I can make our beginner item, wood. Wait, how do you do this? Wait, no. So, convert. How do I have my planks now? How do I get out of this place? Guys, how do I get out? Guys, I'll figure out how to get out of this place. Guys, I figured out how to get out of it. Okay, now let's go in the workbench. No, wait. Let's place down our campfire right here. That seems like a good spot. Open campfire. Click to deposit items in the campfire. Oh, a tree just grown. Let's just chop down this tree real quick. And then we'll harvest our wheat. Just chopping down our tree. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Wait, no. Wrong block. What? Wrong. Hit the tree. Yes, hit the tree. Yes. No. Stop. Ooh, that's stone. Wait, is that stone? Guys, I'm gonna go into first person mode probably because I feel like that'll be way easier. And I'm gonna settings. I'm gonna use this thumbstick because for me it's way easier. Okay, let's just dig down here. Grab some stone. And just break this block so I can get back up. Let's grab some stone. I'm gonna grab a ton of stone. So I can make a ton of stuff. Ooh, I think that's the edge. I'm definitely gonna place 2 blocks there. And place that there and there. Now if I go into my workbench, can I make some stone stuff? Oh my, I can't even make anything. Wait, has my tree grown? Wait, what? I need to harvest my plants, guys. What am I doing? Have they been harvested? Boop, boop, boop. Okay, what do I do with this wheat though? It's very confusing. Do I eat it? Wait, let me go in the workbench. Can I make anything? Watering can, begin item. A water catcher. No, I don't think I can make anything. Let's just plant it back then. There we go. Plants, please, plants. Oh. Do I have to get out of first person mode? It ain't planting, guys. Oh. Okay, how do I do this? How do I bridge across? Guys, I think I can bridge across. I really need to go in that portal, guys. I'm sure I do. Is there a way to crouch? Like in Minecraft? Because it is. Looks like Minecraft to me. I guess I'm gonna have to do it like this. Ooh, I'm risking my life right now, guys. I'm risking it all. I don't even know if I have enough blocks. Ooh, that wasn't supposed to go there. just gonna use some dirt. I don't want to waste all of my stone, but I might have to. Oh my! I almost just fall off. No, I'm sure I don't have enough blocks, but let's just spread over as much as we can. There. Please, no! I almost just fell off. I was risking my life right there. And just chop down a tree. Grab all my wood. Let's make into some planks. Oh, come on, bro. I need 10 and I have 9. What is that? That's just so unfortunate. I guess we gotta wait for a tree to grow, guys. We can plant back our sapling there. And a sapling there. Okay, I might just mine some more stone. I know I'm pretty much just destroying my island when I do this. But it's worth it, guys. I think I need to get to that portal. I don't know how you get iron. I think it's from mining. So I think we're gonna go down. What can I find? Hopefully some iron. Because I do have the campfire. Haven't found some iron yet. But, yep. I think I'm gonna grab a ton of stone to bridge. I think this should be enough. After this block to get there, let me just try this. If this isn't enough, I don't know what is, guys. Now, please don't fall off the edge. I think a D-pad would be better for this. So, I'm gonna just use a D-pad. Is a D-pad even in this? Nope. Oh my, I'm literally risking my life, guys. Okay, let's just break this block because I accidentally pressed that there. I still don't know if this is enough, guys. Let me try. Guys. Oh my. I think we made it. We've made it, guys. Unless if we fall over. Yes! 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 Let's go through. What? Gameplay paused. Yo, where are we? Where is this? Oh, let's buy some blocks. Okay. How do you buy coins? Oh. Okay, there. Let's just settle our wood. Because you need a lot of coins, I'm sure. Because I want to build a base. But I don't think you might get it to be able to build a base. There we go. What? Is this how you buy stone? I need to buy blocks. I don't want no sand. No. Wood. I do need some glass. Hey guys, can I kill this guy? Oh, I think I need a sword. Okay, well let's travel back to our island. Okay, here we are. Some trees have grown, which is always helpful. Okay guys, I think this might be the end of the episode. I think this might be the end of the video. But I'm just trying to mine this tree down. It's not letting me. Okay guys, so I think this might be the end of the episode, but before we leave, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video. Bye guys. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, can we hit 5 likes on this video? If you do, that will be amazing. Now for the last time, bye guys.